What if the foods you eat tonight could rebuild the very structure of your memory while you refast to sleep? We're taught to think of brain aging as a slow, inevitable fading, a decline you can't stop. But what if the nightly struggle with forgetfulness, with walking into a room and blanking on why you're there, isn't a permanent sentence? What if it's simply a signal, a cry for specific nourishment that your brain craves in its most critical repair phase? Today, we're moving past fear and theory. We're talking about actionable, kitchen shelf science. I want to show you 3 accessible fruits that, when timed correctly, can transform your evening from a period of neural decline into a workshop of repair and consolidation. This isn't about exotic berries or costly powders. It's about understanding the potent, underrated power of everyday foods you likely already own. Their compounds work in harmony with your body's natural sleep cycle to defend neurons, clear metabolic waste, and solidify memories. If you're ready to wake up with a sharper, more resilient mind, stay with me, because what you do in the hours before bed could be the most important thing you do for your cognitive longevity. Fruit number 1, the neurochemical replenisher banana. Let's begin with our first nightly ally. It has a fruit so common its profound effect on the sleeping brain is often overlooked, the humble banana. Think of your brain after 60 not as broken but as operating on a nutrient deficit. It's running low on the raw materials needed to manufacture the chemicals of focus and recall. Bananas act as a gentle, natural replenishment system. They're rich in vitamin B6, a crucial cofactor your brain uses to produce serotonin and dopamine. These aren't just feel-good molecules. They are the essential messengers for encoding and retrieving information. As we age, our production dips, leading to that foggy, scattered feeling. A banana in the evening helps restock the supply, but the magic doesn't end there. Bananas provide magnesium, a mineral that calms neuronal excitability, paving the way for deeper, more restorative sleep stages where memory consolidation occurs. And they contain tryptophan, the precursor to melatonin, the very hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle and triggers the release of BDNF, your brain's own fertilizer for neuron health. So, is it any wonder that a simple banana can make such a difference? A small study highlighted that older adults with higher magnesium and B6 intake before rest showed better morning recall. The key is timing and ripeness. For the best effect, consume a small, spotted banana about 45 minutes before bed. The spots indicate higher, more bioavailable nutrients. Pair it with a few nuts if you're sugar conscious. Avoid heavy meals or caffeine nearby, as they can disrupt this delicate process. This isn't just a snack, it's strategic nourishment. Fruit number 2, the neural guardian apple. Now, if the banana is refueling the brain's chemical factories, our next fruit is on cleanup duty. It's the guardian that patrols the neural pathways, neutralizing threats. This is the power of the apple. The aging brain faces a silent, internal rusting process called oxidative stress. Unstable molecules called free radicals damage cells, wear down protective coatings, and cloud communication. This is a primary driver of cognitive slowing. Apples, particularly their skins, are armed with a flavonoid called quercetin. Think of quercetin as a protective shield for your hippocampus, the brain's memory headquarters. Research suggests it helps reduce inflammation there and guards against oxidative erosion. Furthermore, apples are packed with soluble fiber like pectin. This feeds your beneficial gut bacteria, which in turn produce compounds that travel to your brain and encourage the growth of new brain cells. You're not just eating an apple, you're supporting the vital gut-brain axis. One human trial found seniors eating 2 apples daily saw improvements in executive function and verbal recall. For nighttime benefit, aim to eat a small, unpeeled apple about 90 minutes before sleep. This gives its antioxidants time to circulate and begin their protective work as you drift off. Fruit number 3, the antioxidant shield orange. Our final piece of the puzzle is a burst of sunshine that acts as a neural shield, the orange. Your brain hoards vitamin C, holding higher concentrations than anywhere else in your body. But it's a daily lease, not a long-term storage. Every night, it needs a fresh supply to act as a potent antioxidant, mopping up the waste products generated by a day of thinking. Without it, the brain becomes vulnerable to inflammation and damage. But vitamin C's role is deeper. It's essential for making neurotransmitters like norepinephrine, which governs attention and alertness. A deficiency can directly lead to next-day fogginess. Oranges also contain hesperidin, a flavonoid that improves blood flow to the brain, ensuring the nighttime cleanup crew has the resources it needs to flush out toxic proteins linked to long-term decline. The goal is to support the brain's lymphatic system's overnight detox process. To leverage this, enjoy half a fresh orange, including the white pith for extra flavonoids, about 2 hours before bed. Choose the whole fruit over juice to benefit from the fiber. Final words: if this path to a sharper, more protected mind resonates with you, please show your support. A like on this video tells the YouTube algorithm that this practical science matters and helps healthy lifestyle reach more people like you. Share it with a friend or family member who might benefit. And of course, subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle for more honest, actionable guides to living well at every age.